Hey y'all, so today I will be sharing with you my BoxyCharm Premium for January. Starting off with my Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This can actually be used as a 10-minute mask, a moisturizer, an under eye cream, and overnight masks. Is really flexible. I'm using it as a moisturizer right before I apply my makeup. I'm gonna get some in my hands. You can also put it in the fridge for a few minutes for a cooling effect, which is pretty cool. I'm spreading this all over my face. And for someone like me with dry skin, oh, it feels amazing on the skin. If you find the consistency is too thick, you can take a warm, wet towel and just dab away the excess, but I like how this is feeling on my dry skin, so I'm gonna leave it. Oh, it feels so good. So another thing about Summer Fridays is that it is totally a clean brand and it's also made from recyclable materials as far as the packaging. Also, if you currently have a BoxyCharm base box, if you upgrade to Premium for the month of January, you'll have access to Summer Fridays. So you can also try this amazing brand and have an amazing moisturizer or eye mask or however you want to use it. So I did avoid my brows because I'm wearing brows, but I did put the product everywhere else because it's serving as my moisturizer foundation primer. Technically it could serve as a foundation primer because it has a semi-tacky consistency. It's not something where you can't wear it on its own, but it is good to have that consistency to wear something else on top. So I'm going to continue with other things that are in the box.
Nice.
As I mentioned, if you don't want that tacky consistency, the box also comes with this silver pure, silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. This is a cloth that you can wet with warm water and just dab away the extra product. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it as is, so I don't need that for now, but I could definitely use it to remove my makeup afterwards. So that's good. I'm going to take some eye primer and start my look off. I'm gonna bring y'all, actually, I don't think I need to bring y'all in closer for this. Just brought y'all in slightly closer. Hopefully you're not too close now. I'm taking this primer all over the eyes. Take any eye primer you want. The palette I'm using is in the Premium box. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. This is the packaging. Gonna grab this color here. What I like about this palette is that everything is in here. Highlighter, blush, bronzer or blush, highlighter, eyeshadow, eyeshadows. They're all in the same palette, which is so convenient. I'm placing this into my crease. You probably already knew that, but for the lid, I'm actually gonna take this color on the right here, a flat brush. I did bring that slightly up. I'm going with the brow highlight. That same brush I used for the crease. This is a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. I'm taking this color here. I do need a mirror because I can't see far away. For the inner corner, taking this. Actually, these colors have names. Oh my gosh. That color is called Fresh. The first color I used is called Reset. The red is called Ready. The highlight is called Clean Slate. And then the mint green I'm using is Fresh. I did not notice. I have not looked at the back of the palette. It's my first time looking at the back of the palette. I'm taking this little tiny precise brush. This is a Dew Color number 12. For that lower lash line, I'm taking a brown. This is the Revlon Vinyl Eyeliner in the shade Mighty Mocha. I'm gonna take some more of that mint green and blend it over. I'm gonna go ahead and do foundation and concealer. My NARS, we all know what I'm using. NARS Natural Radiant.
Oh my god!
And my Circa Color Balance Liquid Foundation.
Wow!
I actually have to take more of the lighter one now because my skin has gotten more closely back to what it used to be. I had a tan for the longest. Okay, there's this Lashes MD Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner. I'm gonna make sure you can put this on right before mascara because I'm really not sure. This is my first time using this. So you apply this once a day at bedtime. Remove eye makeup first and then apply a thin line at the base of your upper and lower lashes as though applying eyeliner. And you can apply it to the root of your eyebrows too. So I cannot put this on right now. This is for bedtime, but just to let you know, this is in the box. The mascara I'm using is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Okay, this is pretty awesome. Right. Also in the box, whoa. There is a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Honey. I already have one of my own. This is the one that comes in the box. So I'm giving this one away over on my YouTube. So be sure to check out that full video. It's a hair flying right in front of the camera. I don't know if y'all see it. I'm gonna use the one I have already opened. I'm gonna go mainly under my eyes because it is pretty light and brightening. You kind of swirl the remainder over the rest of the face. Now I'm gonna take this highlighter in the center here. This bronzer is super natural. It takes a lot of building to get it to where I want it. For blush, I need lashes. I need lashes. I don't need anything super extreme. Whoa, those are extreme. These are the number 847s by Ardell. We're gonna use these.